McDonald's chicken nuggets are an iconic snack, enjoyed by millions across the world. But have you ever wondered what goes into creating these crispy golden bites? From sourcing the chicken to the final frying process, let's dive into the world behind McDonald's chicken nuggets and see what makes them so irresistible. McDonald's chicken nuggets made their debut in 1983, revolutionizing the fast food industry and reshaping how we think about snack options. Created by Herb Lotman, a McDonald's executive, the idea for the nuggets stemmed from a desire to expand the menu beyond the classic burgers and fries. The goal was to offer something new, delicious, and appealing to a wider audience, particularly families looking for variety. Little did they know that these crispy, bite-sized pieces of chicken would become a global phenomenon, quickly winning over taste buds around the world. Developed in McDonald's test kitchens, the chicken nugget had to meet a few important criteria before it could be added to the menu. First, it needed to be easy to produce at a massive scale, something that could be consistently made in McDonald's thousands of restaurants worldwide. Affordability was key, as McDonald's aimed to keep the cost low while maintaining quality. But most importantly, the nugget had to be undeniably delicious. The recipe went through several iterations before McDonald's landed on the perfect combination of tender chicken, crispy coating, and satisfying taste. The success of the nuggets was immediate, and they quickly became a hit, helping to position McDonald's as not just a burger joint, but a go-to destination for diverse menu items that catered to every craving. Over the years, McDonald's has continued to refine the chicken nugget experience to keep it fresh and exciting for customers. They introduced new dipping sauces, limited-time flavors, and variations to appeal to a wide range of tastes. From the classic BBQ sauce to bold new flavors like sweet and sour or sriracha, there's no shortage of ways to enjoy these iconic nuggets. Today, McDonald's serves millions of chicken nuggets every day around the world, from the US to Europe and Asia, ensuring that people of all ages can enjoy them. Their perfect balance of flavor, consistency, and versatility has cemented their place as a fast food staple. And the success of McDonald's chicken nuggets has even inspired other fast food chains to create their own versions, proving just how influential they've become in the world of fast food. At the heart of McDonald's chicken nuggets is, of course, the chicken. McDonald's sources chicken from large-scale farms where chickens are raised in controlled environments to ensure quality and efficiency. These farms must meet specific guidelines to maintain McDonald's high standards for food safety, animal welfare, and environmental sustainability. The chicken used for nuggets is primarily white meat, specifically chicken breast, which provides the best texture and flavor for the nugget. The meat is carefully processed and cut into small pieces that will later be shaped into the iconic nugget form. The chicken is sourced from trusted suppliers who adhere to McDonald's strict quality control measures. After the chicken is delivered to the processing facilities, it undergoes further checks for quality and safety. This ensures that every batch of nuggets is made with tender, high-quality chicken, ensuring consistency in taste and texture across all McDonald's locations. Once the chicken arrives at the factory, it's ground into a fine mixture, creating the texture that makes McDonald's chicken nuggets so distinct. The chicken is combined with ingredients like water, starch, and seasoning to achieve the perfect consistency. This mixture is then shaped into the familiar nugget form. The shaping process is done using automated machines that ensure each nugget is uniform in size, weight, and shape. This consistency is key to McDonald's success. After the nuggets are shaped, they are lightly battered to create that crispy coating that we all love. The nuggets are then fried in vegetable oil, giving them that perfect golden brown exterior. The frying process also helps lock in the flavor, keeping the nuggets crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. After frying, the nuggets are quickly cooled and frozen to preserve their freshness until they are shipped to McDonald's locations around the world. Frying McDonald's chicken nuggets is a crucial step in achieving the perfect crispy texture. The nuggets are cooked in high-quality vegetable oil, which helps create the golden crust that holds everything together. This frying process ensures that the nuggets are cooked to perfection and have the signature crunch that makes them so satisfying. After the nuggets are fried, they go through a quick cooling process. This helps lock in the flavor while ensuring they stay crispy when reheated. Once cooled, the nuggets are flash frozen to maintain their freshness and texture during transport to McDonald's locations. Flash freezing also helps the nuggets retain their moisture, so they're just as tasty when you bite into them as they are when they leave the fryer. The flash freezing process allows McDonald's to ship the nuggets in bulk to thousands of restaurants without losing quality. When they're ready to be served, the nuggets are reheated in high-efficiency fryers, maintaining their crispy coating and juicy chicken filling. The crispy coating on McDonald's chicken nuggets is a key element of what makes them so delicious. The coating starts with a simple batter made from flour, cornmeal, and seasoning. This batter is applied to each nugget in a precise manner, ensuring it sticks well during frying without becoming too thick or uneven. To create the signature crunch, the nuggets are also coated in a light layer of breadcrumbs, which adds texture and flavor. This dual-layer coating process helps give the nuggets their crispy exterior, providing the satisfying crunch with every bite. The coating is designed to be crispy without overpowering the chicken inside. The ingredients used for the coating are carefully selected to meet McDonald's standards for flavor, texture, and consistency. The batter and breadcrumb layers are designed to cook evenly, ensuring that every nugget that comes out of the fryer has that perfect balance of crispy and tender. No McDonald's chicken nugget is complete without a dip in one of their signature sauces. Whether it's the classic BBQ, tangy sweet and sour, or spicy buffalo, these sauces play an essential role in enhancing the flavor experience. McDonald's offers a variety of sauces to cater to different tastes, and they are carefully crafted to pair perfectly with the crispy nuggets. Each sauce is made with a blend of ingredients to achieve the right balance of flavors. For instance, the BBQ sauce is smoky and sweet, while the sweet and sour sauce has a tangy bite with just a hint of sweetness. The variety of sauces gives customers the flexibility to customize their nugget experience with every order. The sauces are produced at separate facilities and are shipped to McDonald's locations, along with the chicken nuggets. They are stored under strict temperature controls to ensure they remain fresh and flavorful until they're served with the nuggets, providing a well-rounded fast food experience. Like many fast food products, McDonald's chicken nuggets contain preservatives and additives to ensure they have a longer shelf life and maintain consistent quality. For example, the breading may contain ingredients like calcium propionate to prevent the breadcrumbs from going stale before they reach the restaurant. Additives such as sodium phosphate are also used to help retain moisture in the chicken, keeping the nuggets juicy even after frying and freezing. These additives are carefully regulated to meet food safety standards and are used in small amounts to ensure the safety and quality of the final product. Flavor enhancers like monosodium glutamate, MSG, are sometimes included in the seasoning mix to intensify the umami flavor of the nuggets. These ingredients help create the distinct flavor profile that customers love, making the nuggets taste just as great whether you're eating them at a McDonald's in New York or Tokyo. So, the next time you dive into those crispy, golden McDonald's chicken nuggets, remember there's more to these bite-sized snacks than meets the eye. From the carefully sourced chicken to the precise factory process and the signature crispy coating, every detail is designed to deliver a consistent, mouth-watering experience at every location. Now that you've gotten the inside scoop on McDonald's chicken nuggets, we want to know, do you prefer McDonald's nuggets, or is there another fast food chain that you think does it better? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty insights. See you next time.